Now for the fun. Now it's time to do bullets. So, I'm going to create a sprite for the bullet. Now you can create any sprite you want to. I'm going to be a bit boring. And I'm just going to draw a circle. So I'm going to create a new image. I'm going to make this 10 by 10. Remember the bullet's going to be quite small, so which is why it's 10 by 10. I'm going to double click. I'm going to zoom in, so I'm going to see what I'm doing. I'm going to choose white, and I'm just simply going to draw a circle. Okay, really simple bullets. I'm then going to go to the player. First I'm going to create an object. I'm going to call this play bullets. So I know there's a difference if I decide to do enemy bullets. I'm going to choose that bullet. I'm then going to go to add events, create, and on the create, what I want to do is get it going in the right direction. I'm going to do that by dragging this over and typing in player.direction, speed 10. Now, player.direction, that's something quite new. You already know that direction says what direction it's facing in, but you can actually access other objects' directions and speeds, things like that, just by putting the name of the object there. That's why naming your objects is so important. So this is going to start moving in the same direction as the player's going. And because I want it to go at speed 10, I don't want it to go at the same speed as the player, is why it's just got 10 there. And that's going to create bullets, which is actually nice and easy. I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to go back to the player. Now, when the player presses space, so add event, key press, space, I want to create an instance of the bullet, and I want to create it at the same position. Now, but I also want to make sure I don't have too many of them, because if I have too many of them, the game is going to be too easy. So I'm going to limit the number of bullets. And to do that, I go to Control, and I choose Test Instance Count. So I'm going to say, if there's 3 play bullets, if it's smaller than 3, well, let's say 4, then, to make sure we get this in the right order, then it will create the bullet. So only creates the bullet if there's less than 4 on the screen. So that's going to limit the number of bullets on the screen at once. Now the problem is that when the bullet goes off the screen, it actually just simply goes off the screen. So what we need to do is make sure that when it does get off the screen, it gets destroyed. So I'm going to go back to play bullet and go to add event, other, and outside room, and here I'm going to drag this destroy instance. And what destroy instance does is pretty much what it says on the tin, it just destroys itself. So I'm going to click on OK and OK, press run. And what will happen is when I press fire, you can see he fires. But I'm limited to 4 bullets at once.